Well, it's 8 o'clock in the morning here at Barcelona and just arrived at my hotel. And I'm gonna go get a little bite to eat. Been up all night. Flew from JFK, New York to Barcelona, just about a little under 7 hours. And this is the streets of Barcelona. We're on what's called the Diagonal. It's a really cool street. I'll show you up here. Kind of goes diagonally through Barcelona. And what's cool about it is I love Barcelona. They have it set up. This big giant street is set up to where the center is all for walking and the tram. It runs down there, walking, biking, and everything, and then the cars are over this side. It's awesome. Welcome to Barcelona.